the permission of the Honorable Minister, we can extend this issue for about next 10 minutes. 5 minutes. So maybe we can entertain one question only before I hand over the floor to the... Okay, you please.
My name is Lagari. I'm originally from Sindh. I have a question and comments and recommendation. Sindh is suffering more than any other province, not only because of climate change, but corruption, negligence, and inefficiency of Pakistan People's Party, which they have ruled 14 years continuously. And I walked from New York to Washington, 350 miles. I walked last year, and I walked 2021, 424 kilometers from Toronto to Ottawa for against the climate change and for the human rights. Pakistan People's Party, now if you look in the Sindh province, what is the condition of their over the ground realities? How many times are you going to begging from the other countries? Sindh is the richest part of the country. Human rights condition, blasphemy laws. If only Pakistan cut the military budget to give the education and health and climate change, half of your problem will be resolved, especially the girls' education. Madam Shari Rahman, you know better than me because you are on the ground. I'm crying. I'm working hard for my family. Your parties killed my brother. No investigation. United Nations asked climate change. So my recommendation only one. If you cut the budget of the Pakistani military, your half problem will